lift up.
Sometimes I can go stops. You want it higher? I can go like that.
Okay, and now come down
How far?
till it stops.
Right, that's where it goes.
Now, it's time to turn it. Turn it. Okay.
Is that good?
Just about.
It's loose on it.
Yeah, the felt is moving in. Some more. Okay, now it should be. Okay, now we're in. Huh?
Loose.
What, the belt?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now comes the hard part. Okay, so hold that drum in position, okay? Okay. Is the belt straight?
Yeah. It's not exactly where it goes. Get it over.
Okay.
Straight.
Alright, that's good.
Okay, put the front cover on.
Alright. And there you go, boys and girls. Listen to that hum. It sounds like a healthy dryer now. No more clank, 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 clank. See, these are the wheels that were in there. This is the good one. And this is the bad one. Okay. Alright, so there you go. Mission accomplished. Well, this is where I am going to leave it for tonight. We got the dryer running, put in the new rollers, so that's nice and quiet, runs just nice and smooth now. And so what I did here is I have a 2-inch pipe coming out of the wall, and I wanted to save that pipe. So what I did is I've got a stainless steel band clamp mission coupler over the pipe, and then this side here adapts to 1.5 inches. And I went to 1.5 inches because I need it to be as tight to the wall as I could get. And this is where a 1.5 a 2-incher would have been, so it's just not quite as close. And we've come up to a sanitary T, which swings across over to a long elbow that I need to drill a hole in the back of this sink cabinet here. And there is the laundry tub that's going to go in. That laundry tub has been here for a long time, and when I put I had a stack washer dryer in this location, and when that died, I decided to go to 2 full-size machines, which is way more practical anyway. But to do that, the sink used to be here, and so I had the stack laundry here. So now I have, and also the old stack was 24 inches wide. These are like 27 inches wide, I think. And let's see, yeah, 27. So I've got 27 here, 27 there, and it worked out that my old 36-inch sink cabinet was just wide enough to fit in there with another 12-inch cabinet. So anyway, I need to drill a 4-inch hole. You see that little piercing through the back there. I need to drill a 4-inch hole, kind of like that one there, and that way I can get into there with a roto hammer and drill the concrete to put a couple of concrete anchors in there so that I can put a clamp on the pipe. So I need to put a 1.5 U-clamp here and there on the hub, and that will hold everything stable. And then I have a 1/4 inch per foot slope in the pipe as it is. So anyway, the other thing I did here too is that we've got the sanitary T, and then we come up here to a Studer mini vent, and that is just an air admittance valve so that you don't get the glug 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 when you are draining the sink here. Alrighty, so anyway, in a future date, if something has to be changed again, all you have to do is disconnect that mission coupler there, the band clamp, and it just pulls right off and your pipe is there ready to go. But it did work out very nicely. It's out just far enough for a 45-degree elbow, street elbow, to fit into the sanitary T, and then go flat against the wall over to the sink basin. So things are working out pretty good. So the next thing I have to do here too is I need to get up in here and plumb that, the sink, or I'm sorry, that's the bathtub. I haven't done that yet. So I guess that's just going to be tomorrow's big project. All right, it's 9:30. I'm going to get out of here. I've been here for too long as it is. All right, so exciting things happening, and we are looking to get this house on the market the week of the weekend of the 23rd and 24th. So I need to bust a butt here for the next week and a half. All right, see you on the next video.